Hey bakers, welcome back. Well, today we're going to be making chocolate truffles with chocolate and some whipping cream and Oreo cookies. So just check it out for you guys can see. So here are my ingredients. We're going to need 8 Oreo cookies of your flavor, whatever flavor you like. Peanut butter, vanilla, mint. A cup and a half of whipping cream. Some Jelly semi-sweet chocolate. And you're gonna smash up your eight Oreo cookies, and you're gonna need 2 bowls, maybe about a couple of cups, or if you have, the other kind, the glass cups. And so we're gonna start. So we're going to chop up. I started chopping up my chocolate. So let me just try to finish this so we can go to the next step. So, this is such an easy recipe. You can make it with your kids, you can make this for any event. Since summer's around the corner, and we are going to melt this chocolate on the stove with some boiling water on a glass. And then we're going to add some whipping cream to it. So right now we'll begin. So I'm going to add this to my bowl. Alrighty, we are going to go to my stove right now to mix this in the water, okay? And we're going to put about half a cup or less of the whipping cream. And we're going to start mixing it till it melts, completely melts. As you can see, it's melting already. And you just mix it until it make sure you have a pot with boiling water, and then you add your glass on top, so you can stir it and all your chocolate can melt. And it has to be completely melted before you can go to the next step. Okay, so as you can see, it's melted, and this is what you need to see, because the consistency of the chocolate. Can you guys see that? Okay, so now we're gonna go to the next step, and we'll be back in a second. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna go to the next step. Now we're gonna do the whipping cream. So I have about a cup and a half of whipping cream. I buy this brand because it's a little bit cheaper than your regular brand, but anyone works. And you're gonna put it on medium high, and you're gonna just, and we're gonna whip it. Okay, so my whipping cream is done. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that my chocolate is cooled down already, which is, it's about cooled down already. It's not, you guys got to make sure that your chocolate cools down. And what you do is you want to grab some whipping cream, and you put it inside your chocolate, and you stir it. Stir it inside. And you add some more. You add about 3 big tablespoons of whipping cream to your chocolate. And it's gonna turn this color. And there you have it. So then now I'm gonna grab these little cups, because you can use either, but I'm gonna try on this one. And I'm gonna put my Oreo that I already smashed earlier in my cup. This one. And you're gonna grab like a little small spoon or a little measuring cup, and you're gonna fill it up with your chocolate. And then we're gonna add our whipping cream to our chocolate. And we're gonna fill it up like this. And then we're gonna add some more. Actually, we're gonna add chocolate. We're gonna add our Oreos to it. And then we're gonna add some more chocolate to our cup. And cover it all on top. And then you add your chocolate on top. And there you have it. And there you have it, your chocolate truffle. You guys see how easy that was? And then you refrigerate it for about 2 hours, and it's gonna come out amazing. Let me show you guys the other one that I made. Okay, so I'm going to try a little bit to see how it turned out. But see, I just want to show you guys how it's gonna get. It's gonna get a little hard, not hard, but soft. Look at that. And then, amazing. It came out really good. So I suggest you guys make this. You will love this. It's not too sweet, it's not heavy. It's perfect. Like I said, you can make it for any event. Parties, baby showers, weddings, quinceañeras, whatever you guys have planned, make it. Make it. So I'm gonna make one more just so you guys can see again how I do this, okay? So you grab your little cup like this, you pour it in your thing. Actually, I forgot to put Oreo cookies in there, but that's okay because you know what? Look at this. Even though I made a mistake, you can always fix your mistakes. You go back and you put it on your chocolate. Then you add your frosting on there. You know, your whipping cream. It's whatever whipping cream you want, the amount that you want. You can use a pastry bag. You can do it like this. It's however you want to do it. Like I said, you don't have to make it perfect. And then you refill it again. You put more of your whipping cream on top. Look at that, guys. That looks delicious. You add some crushed Oreos, and there you have it. Look at that. Look at that. How easy is that, guys? See? So guys, try this recipe. It's so easy. Remember, it's only three ingredients. It's the chocolate, semi-sweet, the Oreo, and the whipping cream. Of course, you need a stove. And that's it. And some cups. If you don't have glass cups, use plastic cups, you know? And then you just crush your Oreos, and you know, you put it on top. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, and hopefully you guys do this recipe. And remember, subscribe. Okay, a lot of you are not subscribing. You need to subscribe to my channel, guys. All right, thank you for watching.